right, we're at Rudder Tower at Texas A&M in College Station. Got your annunciator right there. Otis Series 1 annunciator. An amazing view of this Texas A&M mural right here. Wow, I love that mural. As you can see, it is raining bad outside today. Photo booth station. Yeah, it is raining definitely bad out there. There's your visitor center. But look at the elevators. Look at that. They got a new paint job. Look how very A&M themed these look. Wow, I love the maroon and white colors. This is amazing. They totally repainted the whole elevator hallway lobby. But the elevators are still the exact same, like I remembered. 11. There's a party up on the 11th floor, so that's why it's unlocked. Especially on the weekend or after hours. Down to 1. It's just like how I remembered. And get a listen to this famous voice as we reach the first floor. This is part of my intro that I used. Here it goes.
Howdy. First floor. Going up?
Nice. Based on that door operator sound, I assume these used to be Dover, but I'm not sure though. These were installed in 1971, and they were modernized in 2007. Oh, it just overshot. What the? that was wonderful. Like, it literally just, it overshot the floor, and then the door just literally reversed when it opened midway, and then it just reopened back again. This elevator is something. That was funny. That was lovely. I just literally caught that on camera.
Howdy.
All right, I'm gonna send this up. And we'll get the other elevator car. Just on the far right. That door operator does sound like a Dover. All right, it should be coming down here by now. This elevator, yep, here it is. There's people on it, so we're gonna wait for them to get off.
Going up?
I don't get why these elevators are a lot faster than the one at the Oceanography Tower. These travel only 500 feet a minute, and the ones at Oceanography travel 350, yet only for 12 stories.
11th floor. Going down.
All right, let's go on to 1. It's just similar to the other elevator. All right, now get a listen to this voice. Here it goes, one of my favorites.
Howdy. First floor. Going up?
Nice. Look out there, it is raining out there. It's raining badly, as you can see. See, look at this. They completely repainted the entire elevator lobby. I mean, they did a really great job repainting this. Look how, this fits clearly exactly well to its Texas A&M colors. This is beautiful. Props to whoever that did a nice paint job. But anyways, speaking of howdy, there is the howdy sign right there. That voice is probably one of the best custom-made voice I've ever heard, and something I never get to hear every day. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video of a little mini tour of the lobby and including a ride on the elevator. So with that being said, thanks for watching and gig 'em.